Hey, what's happening? You got AJ here, and I want to tell you a little story. It's going to be about 10 minutes long, so buckle in. I want to talk to you about 13 market moves, but I want to talk to you also about my whole story in trading and playing the markets, we'll call it. I haven't been playing the markets for very long. It's been about 6 months. And what happened was I was working with a guy, and he made some good investments, and he did pretty well for himself. And I always said to myself, like, I was going to get into the markets and make some money that way and whatever. And I figured, this is it. This is my sign. I better get in and better start doing it. And so I started looking into it. So what happened is, I saved up about $5,000 USD. So I think that's like 7,000 Canadian, because I'm Canadian, I live in Canada. Our dollar's not as strong. And, I went with the simplest broker. There's only like 3 brokers we can use here in Canada. And one of them is just like investment. You can just buy and hold and sell stocks. So I had money in there and I did that, and I traded some stocks, and just like a newbie, I bought high and I sold low, and I bought high again, and then I sold low again. But then, eventually I bought low and I sold high, and I was like, yeah, okay, right on. I got into one of the meme stocks out there, and I put a whole bunch of money in there, and I just left it, and that burned me pretty hard when I got out. But what I realized in that little bit of time is that that's not how I want to make money in the markets. That's not what I knew there had to be a better way to say the least. And so it was about 4 months in, and I come across 13 market moves, and I see the very first video that I saw Leo in, man. I was like, man, this is it. This is what I've been looking for. This is the legit program, the legit people that I want to trade with, that I want to learn to trade from. So I did. It was the first night I watched a couple videos. The second night I saw them, I scheduled my call, and I got in touch with Mike, and we started talking, and I bought the Charts and Divergences course that night. I liquidated part of my meme stock holdings to procure that course. And then for the next month and a half, I watched that course, and I continued to watch the YouTube guys that I watch. And I just learned. I learned how to read the charts, learn how to identify the patterns, look for the divergences, right? See how the charts move. Okay, great. Not making any money yet, okay? Month and a half later, I talked to Mike again. He starts throwing out alerts at me, and I got really excited. I'm like, man, I can't even trade options yet. What's an option? Well, I knew what an option was once I found 13 market moves. I didn't know what options were prior to finding these guys, so yeah. So Mike starts sparking out alerts at me, and I'm like, man, I can't even do this yet. I'm not even set up to buy or sell shares yet. So I live in Canada. We only got like 3 brokers. I think I said that already, but I went through like all 3 brokers to finally get my account set up and funded so that I could trade options. And then it worked out so perfectly. Like, I got my account open and funded, and I was just about to go on days off so I could give my undivided attention to these alerts and, click the button as soon as they, when they say jump, I could jump, right? So Today is November 12th, 2022. Today is a Saturday. So I traded with these guys until yesterday. It was Friday, November 11th is when I exited. Is when I closed my position. And what happened was, when I first got in, I never traded an option in my entire life until I got in to the gold plan alerts program that I got here. And last Thursday, so not yesterday, but like a week ago, so last Thursday, I got in and we started trading. Never bought an option in my entire life until he said, hey, buy this option, get in, yada yada yada, let's go. So that was my first time. Yeah, I lost half my account on that Thursday and Friday. I went from $1,660, I lost $750, so not quite half my account, but damn near half my account gone. I was like, oh well, that kind of sucks. But man, I seen these videos and this is what happens. So let's just fucking, I still got just over half my account. We're gonna make this, he's gonna pull out some magic. Just watch. So what happens? Monday comes. He says, get into this play, get in this call, buy this call at this strike price, boom. So I'm in. And I'm like at my computer, I'm sitting there, I'm waiting for some calls and waiting for some alerts or waiting for something to happen. And I'm sitting there and I'm watching this thing go up, you know, up $500, it goes down minus $700, it goes back to zero. I'm like, well, at least I can break even, and you know, goes up a couple $100 again. I'm like, man, like this kind of sucks. Well, you see, Leo and the team at 13 Marketing Moves, they know their shit. They can see the bigger picture coming from fucking month away, because they've been calling it for a while. They've been calling this fucking boom. And so lo and behold, okay, today is Saturday, yesterday is Friday, the day before was Thursday. On that Thursday, the stock, the whole market just starts exploding. Okay, yesterday, Friday, November the 11th, man, YouTube people were just screaming across the board, holy shit, what's going on? And Leo's been calling it for a while. He knows it's coming. He knew it was coming a while ago, right? So anyways, we just got into the trade too early is all it was. And not a big deal. Whatever, it happens. I'd rather be early and catch it than late and miss the whole damn party. So, now this is where it comes back to me being at work. You can see I'm at work. Got some stuff going on, some pipelines back there. Yesterday is Friday, day before was Thursday. I had to come back to work. Just as the stock market's fucking exploding, okay? I'm still locked in this trade. I'm still playing this trade. I have to come to work and I'm kind of shitting my pants. I'm like, man, like, what if I got to go pull some wrenches as my exit opportunity comes? Well, on Thursday, Leo tells me, you know, sell half my position, get into some other positions, do this stuff. And I'm like, man, I can't. I'm at work. I just got to exit this position that I'm in, because like I could sit for a couple hours, or I could like sit down and be like, oh, yeah, I'm going to be here for, you know, 3 hours. I can do some trading, and then like 10 minutes later, boom, be out at work. And like, man, you can't trade like that. That's how you lose money, right? That's how you lose. You don't want that. You don't want that. I don't want that. right? When I trade, I want to give 100% of myself to the trade so that I can get in when I need to and get out when I need to. So anyways, Leo says to me, dude, are you fucking kidding me? You just lost out on a 30K trade. Like, what? I just want to fucking puke right now, man. I come to work to make, you know, 500 to 800 bucks a day. But because I came to work, I just lost out on 30K. Friday, man, same thing. He's like, get in on these trades. I'm like, man, I'm at work. I just got to get out of this plague because I can't give the attention needed to do this right now. I'm at work. I bet you I probably lost out on 70K on that day, right? Because I would have been able to play with the 30K that I got on the Thursday. And with compounding, yeah, man, I probably, yesterday and Thursday, I probably missed out on 30, 70, 100K. Easy. It fucking hurts, man. But you know what? You know what that shows me? Is 13 market moves. If they can take a complete newbie like me, 6 months into the game. I never traded before. We took my account. I think I spent $850 or something like that on 18 calls. And when I sold, I bought those. Okay, I bought them at 70 cents per contract. When I sold all 18 of those, I sold them for $4.55 a contract. I profited $7,344. I 7x'd my account on that one single trade. Can you just imagine if I had got out and did those other plays that he was telling me to do? Like, dude, easy, 30, 70, 100K in 2 days. I had to come to work. So my point is, get in with 13 market moves. These guys know what the fuck they're doing. I 7x my account on one play. Just imagine if I took those other plays because I didn't have to come here. You know, give me a week, give me a month. I'm gonna retire. I'm just gonna hang out with the boys at 13 market moves. We're just gonna make a shit ton of money. And you know what comes with money? Money is just a tool, right? Money can get you the things you need to get the things you need in life. It's just a tool. But it provides freedom. If you have enough money, you can buy whatever you want, wherever you want, whenever you want. That's freedom, man. And that's what I'm looking for by doing this, by learning this with these guys. Learning to earn my freedom so that I don't have to come and deal with this mess anymore. So for all you guys on the fence, pull the fucking trigger. Do whatever it takes. Save up some money. Get your options account open. Get in touch with the boys at 13 Market Moves. Let's make some fucking money. Come on, let's roll!
First, distract target. Then block his blind jab. Counter with cross to left cheek. Discombobulate. Dazed, will attempt wild haymaker. Employ elbow block. And body shot. Block ferrule left. Weaken right jaw. Now fracture. Break cracked ribs. Traumatize solar plexus. Dislocate jaw entirely.